Magical title card with twinkling stars. High in the sky where the stars shine bright, one slipped away in the dark of the night. Cinderella gasped, her heart swelling with care. I must find the star. It's lost out there. Cinderella was very excited and said, "Oh no, a star has fallen. I must find it before it's lost forever." Cinderella walks into a misty forest, slippers glowing faintly. She stepped in the forest. The shadows grew tall, but Cinderella's courage was stronger than all. Her gown softly sparkled, her slippers gave light, guiding her steps through the whispering night. Cinderella said to herself, "Don't be afraid, Cinderella. The star needs you." Rabbits peek nervously from bushes. Cinderella kneels kindly. From under the bushes, some rabbits appeared, their tiny hearts beating fastly. Their little eyes feared. They squeaked to the princess. The forest is strange. Dark shadows were starting roaming, and the woods rearranged. Don't be scared, little ones. I'm searching for the lost star. Rabbit said, "Be careful, princess." Strange. Shadows follow the star's light. Dark shadows with glowing eyes surrounded her. The whispers grew louder. The shadows drew near. Their voices like echoes that chilled her with fear. The star is ours, leave it. Don't stay. Turn back, Cinderella. Just go away. Cinderella firmly. No. Stars belong to the sky, not to shadows. Visuals. A hollow tree glows with golden light, revealing the star. At last in a tree, in a hollow so deep, the star softly glimmered, as if it could weep. It pulsed with a glow like a heart full of love, longing to fly back to its home up above. Cinderella gently, "Don't worry, little star. I'll return you where you belong." A glowing white owl lands above her. Then out of the moonlight, wings silver and wide, a wise snowy owl softly landed beside. With courage and kindness the star will take flight. Lift it with love, and it will shine bright. Cinderella smiling, "Then I'll do it, with all my heart." Cinderella lifts the glowing star. Her gown shines brighter, shadows dissolve. The star rises into the sky. She lifted the star with a heart pure and true. Her gown shimmered brighter. The shadows withdrew. The star twinkled higher, a glittering flame. And back to the heavens it joyfully came. Cinderella joyfully, "Go home, star. Shine for everyone once again." Forest turns peaceful. Rabbits cheer. Owl nods. Star sparkles brightly in the sky. The forest grew peaceful. The night turned to day. The creatures all cheered as she went on her way. The star in the sky gave a sparkle so bright. Courage and kindness bring hope to the night. Even in darkness, kindness and courage shine the brightest.